Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to share one quick way of being happy in the present moment with all of you. But before I do that, welcome to my room in Maldives during my holiday. And Indu with us, and Indu standing in the balcony right now. This is the view from our room. If you see, that's the ocean. And from the room, we can actually climb down. And this is our favorite spot every day to have our cup of coffee. Okay, so while we are doing that, quick tip for all of you in terms of how to be happy in the present moment. Just one quick way of doing that, and that is always learn to appreciate whatever around you is going on right now. I've seen that whenever people come to a holiday spot, there are two kind of people. One, people who are very happy, and then second, people who are upset. Like, yahan ka pani aisa kyun hai? Why the water is like that? Why the food is not good? Why the hotel is not good? All those kind of things. And then there are people like me and Indu who are always appreciating every simple thing. Like, I remember Indu was telling me today morning, we were walking on the beach, and she was like, look, at the beach, these people have kept towels at multiple places, and she was appreciating that small gesture created by the hotel for us at the beach. We are in the room and we are appreciating small things. We've realized that the moment you learn the art and start practicing this ability of simply appreciating simple things around you in the moment, and there's always something to appreciate you around in the moment, right? The more you appreciate, the more you can be happy in the moment. What do you say about that, Indu?
That's super good.
That's it? That's all you want to say?
Yeah.
You want to appreciate something about me?
You are always nice.
All right, so I wanted to give you a quick example. So I and Indu were at the swimming pool right now having pizza about an hour ago for lunch some time ago. And there was this little girl over there.
Oh, that's a tiny mini
very
girl.
tiny mini. I think she must have been, what, 3 years old?
2 years.
2 years old. And this sweetheart little girl, I think her name was Kiana. And she was so happy in the moment. Like,
She was making a pizza.
Yeah, she was making the pizza with the chef in the restaurant there. And she was wearing a cap, the chef cap and all. She was so happy because she was appreciating every single thing that was around us. She was amused by the water, she was amused by the chef, she was amused by the pizza, she was amused by us also. I don't know why she was so amused looking at us, but I remember when we were going away from there, she came back to Indu, she was holding Indu's hand. What did she say?
She said, don't go, it's just 1 minute for the pizza. She was making the pizza.
She was making the pizza, and she was like, wait, 1 minute. So every small thing this little girl was appreciating. And here is the best part. That's the same child that you and I were once upon a time.
Yeah.
We had this ability of being happy, being curious, being appreciative, being so happy about small things around you. And that's why children are so happy in the moment. How about learning back to that skill once again and practicing that thing one more time?
Let's show the view.
Yeah, so now, okay, so you want to show the view quickly? All right, so that's the view. You can probably appreciate this one simple thing from our hotel. This is the view from here. That's our hotel. We are in Taj Exotica, Maldives right now. And this is our room. And from there, what you see is all the rooms are in a line. All the rooms are in a line. We're in the middle of the ocean. And that's it. So you want to say something, Indu, in front of the camera?
Bye-bye.
All right, guys. Bye-bye. Keep appreciating something right now. Promise me right now, as you keep this video, you're going to appreciate 10 things that is around you right now. Just look around you. There must be something nice, something that you can be curious about, something that you can be happy about, something that you can appreciate right now like a child. And I promise you, if you do it right now while you keep this video, you will be happy in the moment. So that was a quick, valuable tip. I hope you have a lot of fun wherever you are right now. Keep appreciating things. I will see you tomorrow with one more 2-minute video on how you can be more happy and attract more success in your life by using your own vibrations. See you soon. Bye from me and Indu from Maldives.